Hello, 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 it's boy Cheyenne, and today we are playing Bad Apple. Do you like apple? No, you don't. Okay, let's read this. Bad apple. Click on apple to bite into it. If you eat a good apple, it will reveal the number of adjacent bad apple. Okay, including diagonally. For intense, if a good apple reveals the number one, there's a one bad apple adjacent to it. Try to eat only good apples. If you eat a bad apple, the game is over. Good luck. I don't give a shit to it. Let's do this. Okay, one down. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think this would be number two. Yeah, so. Wow! Wait! But I don't know what number is next. Okay, so there would be a no. I think it should be two or one. I think one. Two. No? There's an insect in this? Yeah, I know that. Two. I know that you're gonna. One, two, three. I just clicked on the third one. Hey, why are you winking at me? I'm not that beautiful. Okay. One, two, three, four. Hey. Always winking at me. Is it bad, I mean? Really my fault. Oh yeah, baby. It should be two and it should be one. Okay, my good luck. Oh shit! Shut up! Shut up, please! I love it, apples. Yeah. Oh my god. That's why I was telling you I hate apples and I don't want to play this game anymore. Okay, let's do this one more time. Yeah. Ah, okay, I'm not playing it anymore. So the thing I'll tell you, play this game is a good game and etc. You just got a little extra protein. Yeah? Not exactly. Gummy fruits? Are they still hungry? Try again. No,